Ever wondered how thousands of pounds of metal can defy gravity and soar through the air? It all comes down to four fundamental forces: lift, drag, thrust, and weight. Airplane wings are specially shaped, called airfoils, to create lift as air flows over them, forcing the plane upwards. Engine, exciting, pushing the plane forward and overcoming drag, which is the air resistance. When lift is greater than weight, the plane climbs. When they balance, it maintains altitude. It's a marvel of engineering and physics, allowing us to travel the globe. What other aviation mysteries intrigue you? Let us know in the comments.